Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Instagram marketing. First, identify your ideal audience to tailor your content effectively. Next, ensure your profile is fully optimized with a clear bio and a strong call to action. Remember, consistency is key. Regularly share compelling visuals and captions that resonate with your followers. This foundational approach will set you up for success on the platform, helping you build a strong online presence and connect with your community. To truly master Instagram marketing, diversify your content. Experiment with Reels for short, dynamic videos, use stories for behind-the-scenes glimpses, and carousels for deeper dives into topics. Active engagement is crucial. Respond to comments, answer direct messages, and use interactive stickers to foster a sense of community. Strategic hashtag usage will also dramatically increase your content's discoverability, bringing new eyes to your profile and growing your audience organically. Expanding your reach on Instagram involves strategic growth tactics. Consider collaborating with other creators or complementary brands to tap into new audiences through cross-promotion. For accelerated growth, leverage Instagram ads, targeting specific demographics with precision. Crucially, regularly review your Instagram insights. This data provides valuable information on what's working and what isn't, allowing you to continuously refine your content strategy and maximize your marketing efforts for better results. For advanced Instagram marketing, focus on building a strong, recognizable brand aesthetic. Maintain a consistent visual style and tone across all your content to create a cohesive and memorable presence. Hosting live sessions or Q&As can also significantly deepen your connection with your audience, fostering loyalty and trust. And hey, while you're optimizing your online presence, don't forget to check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals to keep your car smelling fresh. It's all about enhancing every aspect of your life.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.